Hi, I'm James from Mayfair Worktops, and today I'm going to be answering a couple of the frequently asked questions that's on our website, so yeah, stick around. A template is an exact measurement of your kitchen, basically, because once you've got the units in place, or whether you're just looking to replace your current tops, we'll do it over the top of those, but we create like a digital template using what's called the ProLiner system, so it gets the exact lengths, widths, any scribings for the back wall and the perfect overhangs, and that's what we'll then essentially cut from. We never cut from the measurements you've been put into the website. We go based on the templates we've made once the base units are in place. So when we arrive on site to template your job, we need obviously all the base units fixed secure in the final position. We need your sink, hob, range cooker if you're having one of those, and any taps. Same with any like pop-up plugs, they'd all need to be on site so we can get the exact measurements for them. So once we've cut, it's all bespoke, ready for us to come back and fit. Nope, if you're looking just to replace your current tops, we can template with everything in place as it is. All that we ask is that it's clear of obstructions like your microwaves, kettles, those kind of things. We'll just template directly on top of the current surfaces. If you are having a new sink or a new hob, you're looking to change them, just make sure they're on site, don't need to be in place, just on site, ready for our guys to look at the sizes, mark up where they're going to be positioned, then we can cut the holes accordingly. So any plastering work that you're having done needs to be done before we come to template, because we template to the walls. So if we templated before the plaster's being done, obviously there's going to be a thickness in tolerance in thickness with the plaster, so it's going to add a couple of millimetres on. So if we template to the wall or try accounting for the plaster, your overhang at the front's going to be out. So we need to make sure that any plastering work's done before we come to template.